Today, I'm going to bring you 6 steps that you can take to achieve any amount of money. These 6 steps come from the very famous book, Think and Grow Rich. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, you might as well get off the internet because you're not going to find those anywhere. Step number 1, define exactly how much money you want. It's not enough to say, I want plenty of money, I want to be rich. You have to know the exact amount of money you desire. Step number 2, determine exactly what you will give in return for the money you desire. There's no such thing as something for nothing. You're going to have to give up something, whether that be your time, your energy, your lifestyle. Something will have to be contributed in order to make this amount of money. Step number 3, establish a definite date that you will have the money on. It's not enough to say, I will have $1 million in the future. You have to give yourself a deadline. This could be, I will have $1 million by the time I turn 25. Just make sure you have a definite date. Step number 4, create a plan to carry out this desire and start immediately. You have to take action now. Keep in mind you can adjust your plan as you learn and create better plans, but you must start immediately with the original plans that you have come up with. Step number 5, take everything that you just defined in step 1 to 4 and write it down into one statement. An example would be, I will have $50,000 by the time I'm 20 by committing no less than 6 hours a day to selling widgets online. Step number 6 is the most important step, so make sure you focus here. Now what you need to do is read the statement at least twice a day, at the start and at the end of the day. While reading it, you need to see yourself, feel yourself, and believe yourself already in possession of the riches. You really need to concentrate and have a very strong vision of achieving this future goal. You have to believe in this statement so much that you have convinced yourself that you already have the money that you desire. Use your imagination. See it in your mind, feel it in your mind, and believe it in your mind. This is how the law of attraction works. When we are able to attract into our lives what we are focusing on and concentrating on. When you can believe in yourself and convince yourself that you will have it, you will influence your subconscious mind heavily into creating the best plans and actions to achieving your goal. Repeating your statement with strong faith to your subconscious mind is what's going to start causing the law of attraction in your life. Some of you may be very skeptical right now, and that's okay. But for those of you on the edge, I promise you that if you follow these 6 steps and apply them correctly, you will certainly grow closer to reaching your goal. Just make sure that all of your plans are legal.